Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Tesla. Lots of talk here lately. Lots of people talking about shorting it. It's been kind of up and down, kind of actually down a little bit here lately. Kind of volatile, but it's always been kind of volatile, but kind of ran down here on the 13th to 561 and went back up and back down, so it's kind of been all over the place, getting closer to my cost basis. So here's a look over the last month. It was up in the 740 750 range and kind of coming down kind of like a lot of other things, whether it would just be volatility, politics, inflation, or so on. So but back to Tesla. If you don't know what it is, feel free to pause and go over this here for yourself. But currently trading at 584.22, and as you can see, I have 2 on a partial share here. I have more in a retirement account, and MSN Money showing it as a hold. Elon even lost his world's second richest ranking as Tesla dips, but still I'd take the 3rd or 4th place, even the 10th or 20th place, so I wouldn't argue at all. So Elon Musk's Twitter posts keep sending Bitcoin prices tumbling. His own fortune is heading in the same direction, so it seems like it's been kind of heading in that direction since he spoke on SNL 2 Saturdays ago. Which I believe would be in the 7th. So lost his his spot as the world's second richest to Chairman Bernard Arnault, as the electric vehicle maker shares fell 2.2%. That was the top last week slump amid a rout of technology stocks and fresh signs of trouble in its China businesses. And so this kind of goes over a little bit more information. Shows how his fortune is 160.6 billion, down 24% from the January high. So that is quite a bit. That's still a ton of money. But lots of tweets here lately. The Tesla is no longer accepting digital currency as payment. So that's kind of hurt as well. He also whipsawed Dogecoin prices after tweeting he's working with developers of the Shiba Inu theme token to improve transaction efficiencies. Over the weekend, Musk wreaked havoc again when he seemed to imply that Tesla may sell or has sold its Bitcoin holdings, before later clarifying in a tweet Monday that the company had done no such thing. So currently 49 became the world's richest person in January after Tesla shares surged almost 750% last year amid a boom in technology-driven stocks. So the Palo Alto, California-based company shares have since fallen by about a fifth amid a global semiconductor shortage and increasing competition from traditional automakers. Musk's fortune has dropped about 9.1 billion this year, the most among U.S.-based billionaires tracked by Bloomberg's Wealth Index. Meanwhile, Arnold, now number 272, had added the most, with his net worth climbing at almost 47 billion to 161.2 billion as sales of the firm's luxury goods surge in China and other parts of Asia. Kathy Wood's arc on Tesla stopping Bitcoin payments says concerns over energy consumptions are misguided. And this is just dated 9 hours ago. So again, the Elon talking about Bitcoin's energy consumption are misguided. And ARK Invest analysts said in a note Monday that the impact of Bitcoin mining could become a net positive to the environment and speed the world's transition to renewable energy. In the absence of Bitcoin mining, renewables would be able to satisfy only 40% of the grid's needs. However, 99% of the grid's requirements could be met by renewables, with the commercial subsidies associated with Bitcoin mining, according to analysts. Why it matters, the analysts note, is a reiteration of ARK Invest's stance on Bitcoin mining. Last month, the Woods firm and Jack Dorsey-led Square released a white paper arguing that Bitcoin mining provides an opportunity to spur the global energy transition to renewables. And so I try to stay on top of renewables, renewable energy, anything energy related, renewables, EVs, Bitcoin, crypto. Just lots of information out there. So Bitcoin is down 30.8% from its all-time high of 64,863 on April 14th. However, the apex cryptocurrency is up 1.1% higher over the last 24 hours and is trading at $44,936.74 at press time. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there. This kind of goes over some ratings. Maintaining at a buy, reiterates a neutral, maintains as a buy. Not just Tesla, Michael Burry could be betting against SpaceX with SPAC stake as well. So even from time to time, I think the SpaceX involves Tesla's stock price from time to time, as well as talk about Bitcoin and whatever else Elon talks about. So revealed in filings Monday that Burry has put options against 800,000 shares of Tesla, worth over $500 million. The value could rise if Tesla shares continue to fall. Burry, who made over $700 million in profits betting against the market in 2007 and 2008 financial crisis, has been outspoken about Tesla before. Shows how he took out a long position in Vector Acquisition Corp., which bringing the Rocket Lab public, a rival to SpaceX. So it looks like he's going against Elon and all in regards to Tesla, SpaceX, and so on. So, but feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. So this kind of talks about shares of Vector Acquisition Corp., which were flat at $10.02 on Monday. Shares have traded between $9.72 and $15.15 over the last 52 weeks. Tesla shares are down 2% to $576.83 on Monday. Shares of Tesla are down 19% over the last month. So not too good of a month, last 2 months for Elon, but in related companies, but we'll see. Sometimes it does present a buying opportunity. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, just stating my opinion, but this kind of goes over some more information of the Big Short fame. Reveals $530 million bet against Tesla. Family office run by Big Short investor Michael Burry has disclosed a short position against Tesla worth more than $500 million. Scion Asset Management said in a regulatory filing on Monday that it had bearish put options on 800,100 shares in Tesla at the end of the first quarter that were worth $534 million. And gonna slowly scroll through this. We already covered some of this information, but this goes over where it hit a record high of $8.83 per share in January. Shares closed at $5.76 per share on Monday. And this kind of has had some concern as well. Tesla customers sue over surprise price increases for their solar roofs. I've been hearing some information on that as well, so talking about the solar roof prices that are going up, and kind of a surprise to the consumer, which probably also has something to do with the stock price. But and I already covered this about the bet against Tesla, so it's going to kind of be a tug of war. We'll see who is the alpha in the end. So not much other information in there. We'll go over here to StockTwits. So could have got in the 52-week low of 157, high of 900, $555 billion market cap. And lots of talk about Lucid here lately as well. Definitely bearish on this one. I'm liking Tesla here, so it just kind of depends who you are. So some are going to enter at the current price and some are not. I'm a long-term investor on Tesla, so the price dip doesn't really concern me. Like I said, sometimes you can feel free to buy more. You can buy, as I showed you on Robinhood, you can buy partial shares on Robinhood. You can as well on Fidelity. I've been starting to use Fidelity more than Robinhood. I keep Robinhood around for the channel. But might even be other brokerages that you can buy partial shares on. You just have to take a look. So those are the only two that I'm aware of. Well, M1 Finance you can as well. So, and I have links to all of those in the description besides Fidelity. So I have, if you want to get some free stock on M1 Finance, you can get a link in the description. This is pretty awesome. Shove shorts out of the way. And there you go. And it does kind of give it a little, almost a 12% increase of 657 here on the tip ranks currently as a hold. But that's all the information that I have here on Tesla. If you bought in the dip here recently, that would be interesting to know as well, if you got in here at 561, or if you have any other thoughts or any other information that could help all of us out. So that would be helpful as well. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.